Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub, and once again I welcome you to a wonderful video from Madian Valley, Sawat. Okay, well guys, you often get confused about one fact which is related to IELTS listening, and the fact is which English dialect is prominent in IELTS listening, whether it's British English or American, or they use Canadian English, Australian. So which accent or dialect is used in IELTS? Let me tell you, regardless of the dialects, regardless of the accents they use in IELTS, there is one standard English which is used in IELTS throughout the world. Now, whether that is British dialect or American dialect may be different, but language is going to be same. For example, before the audio recording, they actually write down the script for IELTS. Now, when they write down the script for IELTS, after writing down the scripts, now they check standard and native speakers of English who speak standard language, not the slangs. They don't pick up any regional accents. They do not pick up any, non-standard English, that in one part of America people speak like this, or in one corner of Australia people use these slangs and these words. Not at all. English language is pretty standard. They use very standard English, and dialects they can be British American. Now, for example, they have the written script. Now, if there is someone Australian, they will give that written script to that Australian, and he will read in standard Australian English, which is understandable or understood all over the world. They may give the script to anyone from Canada, from New Zealand, from England, from America. But remember, language that they speak, that language is without any jargons, without any slangs, without any localized words or localized terminologies. English is going to be standard. And sometimes, being a student, you will not even realize which accent is this, okay? But you will realize one thing, that whatever they speak, you understand that very clearly. So don't worry about the accent. Accent can be any, but it's going to be standard accent, and it's going to be very clear. It's going to be understandable. Number one. Number two, as far as English language is concerned, as far as the language they speak in IELTS listening, that is going to be standard English language, okay? All the best, guys. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you wish to be the part of my online or on-campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub wishes you best of luck from Madian Hotel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.